Hello, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to text function to apply a specific format in Excel. For example, I have a four mobile number, so I want to change it in my own desired format. So you have to put the formula is equal to, put the text function, open the bracket, and then select the values, comma, double quote, put the 30 followed by another 70 and again double quote and close the bracket. And here you can see that you have to change your mobile number format to another one. So it's pretty simple and easy. So I hope now you have learned how to text function to apply a format in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.